The video you're watching now is of a recent fire at a bank that burned completely to the ground. It's a good thing that the building and all the furniture and equipment inside were insured against fire. Even the money inside the bank was protected. Unfortunately, the only thing not insured was the customer's property in the bank's safe deposit boxes. You may not believe it, but if you're a safe deposit box renter, anything you put in that box isn't insured. Not by the FDIC, NCUA, any government agency, and probably not by your financial institution. If you check your rental agreement, it likely says the contents in your box are not insured, and you should purchase insurance if you want protection. The bottom line is that if a disaster strikes your bank, you could end up losing everything. Even more alarming is that these types of catastrophes are occurring much more frequently than in the past. Just recently, 3 other financial institutions in the United States burned to the ground. Equally as devastating, extreme weather events such as tornadoes, hurricanes, and floods have destroyed financial institutions around the country. And don't think that natural disasters are the only threat to your safe deposit box. Last year, over 5,500 bank robberies occurred in the United States. Not all of them involved safe deposit boxes, but each one represents a potential threat to your box and your property. With the number of people storing gold and other precious metals investments, it's easy to see why safe deposit box contents are now, more so than ever, at risk. Okay, so maybe you've had your box for some time and you're not a precious metal investor or collector, just a regular person with some important papers, perhaps a few old coins, or some jewelry that's been in your family for years. How much do you really have at risk? Well, if you look at the increase in the price of gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, and other gemstones, if that property was worth $3,000 just a few years ago, it's probably worth over $15,000 today. For an annual cost of a few cups of coffee, wouldn't you want to protect yourself against this kind of loss? There's no question that a safe deposit box is the best storage option out there, even better than a home safe. But without safe deposit box insurance, it's not as safe as you think. Until now, there's never been a product out there that allowed box renters to easily insure their contents with complete privacy at an affordable price. We're the Safe Deposit Box Insurance Specialist, and we've got a simple, effective solution to help safe deposit box renters keep their valuables protected. We'll insure cash, jewelry, coins, gold, silver, diamonds, and collectibles. In fact, anything you legally possess is covered. And with each policy, you'll receive $3,000 of coverage to compensate you for the loss of personal documents, like wills, deeds, titles, and birth certificates. There's no need to tell us what's inside the box, nor is an appraisal required to obtain coverage. We only ask for the location of the safe deposit box facility and the last 2 digits of your box number. We don't ask for a social security or fine number. In the event of a loss, we won't report any insurance payments to any federal agency unless required to do so. Your confidentiality and privacy are respected throughout the process. Now, perhaps you'd rather store your valuables in a home safe. If that's the option you choose, you'll find little or no insurance coverage for property such as cash, precious metals, and important papers. But if you put that same property in a safe deposit box at your bank or credit union, we can insure it for its full value. So if you want your valuables insured, a safe deposit box is the superior storage option. If you're interested in obtaining coverage, you can do so right here on our website. Click on the Get Coverage Now tab, select the amount of coverage you want, and pay the corresponding annual premium. It should take all of 5 minutes. You can then rest easy, knowing your valuable property is now insured. If you have additional questions or want to complete the purchase over the phone, call us at 1-224-227-6181. Finally, think about this. You wouldn't leave money in a financial institution that wasn't insured. So why would you leave valuables in a safe deposit box without insurance?